I screwed up. I screwed up. Dropped the friggin' mag light onto the rear driver's side C-pillar and caused some scuffs and a couple of nice dents.
I can see my name in lights, spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go.
That's good.
I can see my name in lights, fall till I fall and I'm feeling alright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Good morning, YouTube. Jared here, 4 Guys Talking Cars. Hit that thumbs up, would you? We'd appreciate it. Thank you. Back again in the Charger, red guts, and we are headed to the detail shop. Why? Because, well, a couple issues weren't my fault. One of them was most definitely my fault. I screwed up. I screwed up. After the install on my tint, my rear window, I was checking it out. It was kind of dusk, and I was using a mag light to kind of inspect and see, you know, they did a great job, no bubbles or anything like that. And I was just looking at it, dropped the friggin' mag light onto the rear driver's side C-pillar and caused some scuffs and a couple of nice dents. And that, as you know, is a really difficult area to get dents out. Called a great guy, he came out, he spent about 4 hours really working the metal. Got it to the point where it's really, really hard to see any damage. It's imperceptible to the touch, and you really have to be at the right angle to see anything. So, gonna go have that. They're gonna have to do paint correction, reapply the ceramic, and then of course, you saw my previous video. I'll put the link here on the rock chip I got on the side of the door. And there's one little bubble on the PPF on the front. That happens with PPF, so we're gonna fix that. Finally, they are going to apply PPF to my doors. So basically everything will be PPF except for the trunk lid and the roof. And we'll see how it goes. So on my way to dynamic detailing, we're gonna leave this car. Always nervous when I leave my car somewhere, and I think they gotta keep it a few days. So we'll see how it goes. All right, talk to you in a bit. Yeah, that's friggin' annoying. Okay, here we are. Dynamic detailing, dropping off the Charger. Let's go check this out. Man, it is noisy down here, but car is gone. Dropped it off, went over all the details, and it might be done in a day, so looking forward to that. All right, we'll check in later. Okay, what's up YouTube? It is 2 days later. I thought they might have it done in a day. That's what they had told me, but took them a little bit longer. So I have called a Lyft driver to give me a ride back over to the detail shop, and we're gonna go pick up this Charger. I miss it. So let's get this done. Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Hey, you too. Okay. Frickin' masks. Quick sneak peek. Oh.
I bet that's Jared.
It is me. But let me tell you something. Oh my goodness. Let's look at this. This is, man, I mean, PPF on the doors. Guys, PPF all on the doors here now. All the way in. So yeah, that's smooth all the way up and in. once where there was a rock chip. You can still see a little tiny bit of a mark in there. You can't even see it. The bubble, gonzo. Tell you, the PPF, it like adds some depth to it. It kind of, look at that, it looks all wet. It's really cool, man. All right, let's look at the back here. I think you saw the before footage. Looks great. All right, guys, this wraps up another video. Just a quick one for you. Fixed that damage that I had caused, polished out the rock chip, and got the PPF everywhere, including that bubble out of there. Charger looks awesome. So glad to have it back. I'll see you guys on the next one. You ain't playing with me. Don't play with me. Play with the 6.4. Dang, that's good.
Spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.